Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, when it comes to being successful with LiveGood, when it comes to making money and LiveGood, it's all about getting traffic. All right, getting traffic to either the products or the business opportunity. And in most cases, people usually promote the business opportunity. And when you promote the business opportunity, you're going to want to be sharing the LiveGood tour page. All right, this is where most people try to get people to see the LiveGood tour page. All right, but how do you get traffic to this page? Most people use social media, right? Most people use Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube. Me personally, I use YouTube, obviously, most of the time. To promote LiveGood, I use YouTube, but I'm fully aware that there's a lot of people out there that's feeling LiveGood. They actually want to be successful in LiveGood, but they're just not trying to promote online. They're just either not computer savvy or they just don't like it. They don't like Facebook. They don't want to do YouTube. So is there another way to be able to make money with LiveGood without using any social media? And the answer is yes. And I actually talk about this all the time when it comes to LiveGood, and that is taking it offline. People are sleeping on, using offline methods to actually get traffic to their LiveGood tour page. And you can do it very, very easily. All right, so you can use pretty much 3 different types of marketing material offline. You can use what they call drop cards, which are like little small business looking cards, right? They're just paper. Then they have your traditional 4x6 flyers, and then they have what they call like full sheet flyers, which is like the size of a piece of paper. This is something where you would most likely put on like a bulletin board or something like that, right? So I personally created my own flyer for anybody who joins my LiveGood team, and if they want it, I'll actually send this to them, and I'll just replace my QR code with their QR code. And let me show you what I'm talking about right here. All right, so this flyer, pretty much, I kind of took some of the art from the LiveGood tour page, and I added my own little my own little red bar. I got the QR code right here, right? Boom. Now look how this stands out. So what you want to do is simple. You want to order some of these, right? Now you can usually get them in 100, 250, 500, whatever. I would recommend starting out, if you're serious, get at least 200, 250 flyers made up, or you want to get the drop cards. Or if you're going to get the bulletin board size, you probably don't need that many. You probably only need maybe 10 or 20 of those. But it really depends on what you're trying to do. So if you do decide to go with the flyers or whatever, you're probably thinking, that's nice. What do I do with them? All right. This is what you need to do. Keep in mind, LiveGood is a real business opportunity. So you do want to treat it as such. All right. So you want to sit back and ask yourself, where can I put these where people will see them? And I highly suggest start off with laundromats. All right, every city, state got laundromats. So I would find out where all the laundromats are in your area. Go inside of them and see if there's any places where you can set flyers. I know a laundromat near me, they got a little table set up for like local businesses where they got business cards, flyers, and like bulletin boards and stuff like that. That's a perfect place to put these flyers. All right. Now, if you want to go a little more where you got to kind of deal with people, but you can check out local businesses. All right. Go to local businesses and say, hey, is there a place in here, where I can set these? Because a lot of local businesses, they have little areas where other local businesses can promote, where they can leave business cards and flyers, right? So laundromats, and then check out local business spots. All right. that these two places right here can get you a lot of traffic to your Live Good business. All right. Now, another thing you can do is find out where they're going to be having vendor events in your area. And if you're willing to travel, you know what I'm saying? If it's an hour away, whatever, boom, rent you a little booth. All right. Rent you a little table or whatever. And what I highly suggest you do is, have some of the Live Good products with you. Have, even if they're the empty bottles, you can have the vitamin bottle, the CBD bottle, the protein container, whatever. Have those displayed on your vendor table. And then what you can do is have your get like one of them little stand things, the little plastic things you can slide the full sheet flyer in, so that can be set up on your table. Then you can have these flyers sitting there where people can actually grab one, and keep it moving. So this way you can actually, have people actually scan your flyer or scan your full sheet flyer at your vendor table, and then they can check out the Live Good tour page, right then and there. Or they can check it out, later on, when they get home or whatever. But doing these can drive a lot of traffic to your Live Good tour page. You can literally build your Live Good business completely offline simply by using flyers, drop cards, and full page flyers. That's what you call them, damn it, full page flyers. All right. So you do not need YouTube. You do not need Facebook. You do not need Instagram to be successful with Live Good. What you do need is a passion to succeed. What you do need is that motivation, right? To actually stick with the opportunity, really work the business. So if you decide to use these flyers or whatever, really sit down, have a strategy where you're like, all right, well, I'm going to do the laundromat method. I'm going to get my flyers or drop cards or whatever. And I'm going to go every weekend. I'm going to go to 2-3 different laundromats, right? I might do a vendor event once a month. Like, have a strategy. Take this serious, because there are people making a lot of money in Live Good. There's also people not making nothing with Live Good. And the difference is the people that are making money with Live Good are the people that is going hard with Live Good. And that's the fact right there. All right. So if you decide to jump on my Live Good team, all you got to do, I'll reach out to you anyway. Everybody who joined my team, I personally reach out to them, help them get started, help them get set up, whatever. But if you actually want this flyer, I will offer this to you once you join the team. And I'll just replace, you see right here. Damn, other hand. Boom. Damn. Come on, man. Where my finger at? Right here. Bam. The opposite. Shit, killing me. This QR code, I will replace it with your QR code. So when people scan that, they'll be taken to your Live Good tour page. All right. So there you have it. Live Good, blowing up right now. Great opportunity, great side hustle. So if you haven't joined the team yet, you already know. Click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the squad.